Here's a short video on how you can upload documents for your mortgage application through the client portal on Expert Pro. This video will show you how you can upload documents when you have an existing client portal login, which you would have created when you received an application link or an invitation to complete an application from your broker. When your broker sends you a document request, you will receive an email. When you click on Upload Documents, you will be redirected to the Client Portal login page. You will first need to log into your client portal using your registered email and password, and you will be redirected to your main dashboard. If you have multiple applications associated with your email, you will have to select the current application and click on Select Applications. Once you are on the dashboard, you will have to go into the Documents section through the left navigation pane. Once you are in the Documents section, you will be able to view the list of requested documents. When you click on the document type, you will see the Upload button. You will then need to click on Upload Documents and select the documents from the desktop. That's how you can upload documents using the client portal on Expert Pro.